How to switch to creator account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can switch to business or creator account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So to basically switch to a business account on Instagram, open up the Instagram application, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right, and just go to settings and privacy. Then from here you will be able to see different sort of options over here. What you want to do is simply go to an option that says account type and tools, as you can find it. And once you go to account type and tools, go to the option that says switch to professional account and then just tap on it. Then tap on the continue button, tap on continue, and then tap on continue again. Now from here all you have to do is simply select a particular category that describes your profile. Then you can tap the done button, and as you tap on the done button it will ask you whether you want a creator account or a business account. So depending upon what is it you prefer, you can select that, tap the next option, and then your account will get successfully switched to a professional account. This way you can basically switch to a creator or a professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.